Now a question on the whiteboard, we have to find inverse of 3 by 3, and this question was in board exams. Okay, so now I am going to solve this question by the elementary column operation. Okay, so we are having A is equal to AI. Now our question goes for 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 1 2 1 0 is equal to A. Then we are having 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now we have to make left hand side using column operation identity matrix. Now step 1 is what? Make A11 0. Step 1, make A11 1. It is already 1. Okay, step 1, make A11 is equal to 1. Already it is 1, so skip this step. Okay, now step 2. Step 2. In step 2, what we have to do? We have to make A12 is equal to 0, A13 is equal to 0. We have to make these two 0 and 0. Okay, what operation we are going to use it? C2 approaches to C2 minus A12 with C1, and C3 approaches to C3 minus A13 with C1. Okay, these two operations we are going to use. And what type of operations we are having now? We are having C2 approaches to C2 minus A12. A12 is 3 C1, and C3 approaches to C3 minus, it is minus 2 C1, and C3 we are getting C3 as plus 2 C1. Okay, so now we are having, after calculation we will be getting, now we have to change column 2. Okay, column 1 is not changed, so column 1 is 1 minus 3 and 2. Column 1 minus 3 2. Similarly, now this one 3, this is 3 minus 3 times 1. Okay, so this we are getting as 0. 3 minus 3 times 1, so this will be 0. Similarly, 0 minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, so this becomes 9. Similarly, this becomes minus 5. Now we are applying same for this one, 1 0 0. Now this 0 minus 3 times 1, it is minus 3. Similarly, it will be 1 and 0. Now for this part, C3 plus 2 C1, C3 plus twice of C1. Okay, so this will become 0, minus 7 and 4. And similarly this side, 0 plus twice of C1, so it is 2 0 1. Okay, so this is step 2. We are having step 2, step 1 we have done it, step 2. Now let's move for step 3. Now step 3 is what? Step 3, make A22 is equal to 1. Now we have to make A22 as a 1. Now what operation we are going to use here? We are going to C2 approaches to 1 upon A22 into C2. Okay, it means C2 will be divided by 9 now. Okay, so we are having C2 approaches to 1 upon 9 C2. Okay, we are multiplying second column by 9, by 1 by 9. Okay, so we are having now 1 minus 3 2 as it is, 0 1 minus 5 by 9, 0 minus 7 4 as it is, is equal to A. Here also first row as it is 1 0 0. Now divided by 9. Okay, minus 3 by 9 becomes what? Minus 1 by 3. This will become 1 by 9 and this will become 0. Okay, 0 divided by 9, 0. So, and here it is 2 0 1. So, this is step 3. Now, let's proceed for step 4. Now, step 4 is what? Step 4. Step 4 we have to go for A23. Okay, make A23 is equal to 0. Now we have to make 23 as a 0. Now this will become C2, A23 is this one, A23. Now C3 approaches to C3 minus A23 with C2. Okay, because C2 is 1 now. Now this becomes, sorry, C3 approaches to C3 minus, now A23. A23 is what? Minus 7. Okay, minus 7 with C2 and this becomes C3 approaches to C3 plus 7 C2. Okay, this is step number 4. Now, here we get for step 4, we are going to change column 3. Okay, so we are having 1 minus 3, 2, 0, 1, minus 5 by 9, this one. Now we are going to change this one. It becomes 0, 0 and we are having 1 by 9. When we are solving this part, we are getting 0, 0. We are having this one minus 7 and 4 and 0, 0, 1 by 9. Now this is equal to A. For this part now, we are having 2 minus 5, 1 by 9. We have to change C3. C3 will be 1 0 0 as it is, 1 0 0. Then we are having minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9 0, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9 0, and this will become after solving minus 1 by 3, 7 by 9 and 1. Okay, so after solving we are getting this part. Now we are on step 6. Step 5, sorry. Step 5. Now in step 5, what we are going to do? We have made, now we have to make step 5 this as a 1. Okay. Make A33 is equal to 1. Now what we are applying? C3 approaches to 1 upon A33 with C3. We have to divide column 3 by 1 by 9. Okay, we have to divide column 3 by 1 by 9. So what we are getting now here? We are having, we can write it, C3 approaches to 1 upon 1 by 9 C3 or C3 approaches to 9 C3. Okay, it will be multiplied by 9 now. Step number 5. So we are getting now, we are changing which part? Column 3, this one. So 1 minus 3, 2, 0, 1, minus 5 by 9, 0, 0, 1. A. Now 9 times 3, 9 with 0, 9 with 0, 9 with 1 by 9 is 1. Okay. Similarly this side, 1, 0, 0, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0, and after calculation we will be having minus 3, 7 and 9. Okay. 9 times minus 1 by 3 is minus 3, 7 by 9 into 9, 7, 1 into 9 is 9. Okay. So this is step number 5. Now let's move for step number 6. Step 6. Now for 6 what we are going to do here? step 6 we have to make these two as a 0. Okay, so we are having make 832 is equal to 831 is equal to 0. What we are putting here now, we are having C2 approaches to C2 minus 832 with C3 and C1 approaches to C1 minus 831 with C3. Okay, so what we are getting here now, what is C32 now? C2 approaches to C2 minus 832. 832 is minus 5 by 9. So minus 5 by 9 becomes plus 5 by 9. Plus 5 by 9 C3 and C1 approaches to C1 minus 813. 831, sorry, 831 is 2. C1 minus 2 C3. Now what we are getting here? We are getting 1. Now we have to make these two 0. Okay, minus 3, 1, minus 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This side with A is equal to, with A. Now combining the two steps together, what we are getting? Now for this part we have to make 0 and for this part we have to make 0. Combining these two and after calculation, what we are getting? We are having 7 minus 2 minus 3 minus 14 4 7 minus 18 5 and 9. After solving we will be getting these things. Okay, so now for step 7, step 7, 6 we have done it. Now step 7 means what? Only what thing is left? Only minus 3 is left. Make 821 is equal to 0. Now we have to make 821, last thing which is left. So C1 approaches to C1 minus 821 with C2. Okay, so C1 approaches to C1 minus 3 with C2. Okay, minus 3 is positive. Now we are having 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to A. Now after calculation we are having 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 4 7 minus 3 5 and 9. Is it clear? Now this becomes identity matrix. Now we are having I is equal to AB, then B is equal to what? A inverse. If I is equal to AB, B is equal to A inverse, or you can write it multiplying by A inverse both the sides. So we are having A inverse is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 4 7 minus 3 5 and 9. So finally we got this as an answer. Okay, so you can move with any method with elementary row operation or elementary column operation. So we have done this question by elementary column operation. Okay, so now you can go, you can look out for the all the steps which we have used. Let's repeat it. Step 1 was skipped because it is already 1 here. Step 2, what we have used? We have used this part and then we used this part. For step 3, we used this part. For step 4, we used this part. For step 4. For step 5, we used this one. For step 6, we used this one and both together, these two. For step 7, we used this part. And finally, we got our answer. Now it is very much clear, each and every step, and you can go through it systematically and you can go some other questions also. Okay.